Hey guys, happy Saturday. It is February 27th. It is, what time is it? 12:15 more or less, 12:17 p.m. By the way, yesterday's video, I said that it was December 26th. Sorry, my mind was not where it needed to be. It was obviously February 26th, and today's the 27th, and I am going to talk a little bit about the SPY and how it is starting to come down, or it has been, like catching a lot of people. And so, yeah, is this the beginning of the end? Well, I don't know. I don't know, but it is certainly not smooth sailing for longs. I will tell you that much. Before I go into that, I want to talk about W, which is the trade that I closed yesterday. And let's see. I closed it here, right? I opened it the day before. Pretty much when it was testing this support, it broke it. I didn't let go. Stupid me. Very bad trade. The day before yesterday, it just went down. But again, I was ready for this to go down to zero. I was just lucky that it came back. And I sold it yesterday when it was starting to feel heavy. And mind you, the SPY, I said yesterday on the video that the SPY wasn't feeling too healthy, like too strong. It was recovering, but it wasn't really like showing me strength. So I wasn't sure this could keep going. I was asking for the day before yesterday. I was asking for a day when the SPY was working out well to the upside for this play to work. This play worked really well on a day when the SPY wasn't really strong to the upside. So I collected my gains, I played it safe, and it kept going a little bit, but at the end of the day, it just closed pretty much exactly where I sold. And oh, I didn't see that. It actually closed on volume going down, so who knows what's going to happen, but this tells me that, yeah, people are not confident, or they don't want to hold over the weekend, because A, they don't want to hold over the weekend, but B, I think people are just too afraid of the market. Like who knows what's gonna happen next, right? So yeah, like this is a lot of selling. Let's see what happened after hours, because I don't know that. Once I got out yesterday, I really didn't do much more. So yeah, no big volume after hours at all. That's to be expected, but it also reinforces my idea that nobody wants to hold anything over the weekend, right? It did a whole lot of nothing. And yeah, I'm very happy with where I got out on this trade. I'm very unhappy with where I went in. If you know my pattern, which if you have seen like 2 of my videos, I'm sure you know by now, my bread and butter is breakout, retest, continuation. I didn't wait for the continuation. I wanted to catch the bounce of support, and I got greedy with my entry, and I paid the price. This would have been a great trade with other strategies of mine, but because I didn't do well, I just made like a, very modest 10%. Anyway, so that's for W. Let's talk about the SPY, okay? All right, so when I made the video yesterday, the SPY was green and it was looking like a hammer, right? Well, it did not manage to hold that at all, as you can see here. However, look at that. It closed. Eh, I'd say this is a minor support. Last time it hit this area, it went back up, right? Let me mark that. It closed here, right? So you can see that it, you know, yeah, this is a support. Resistance, support, key area anyway, right? However, however, look at the volume. The volume is more than it had been in a long time, since November 9th, alright? And it was selling volume. So yeah, that's, I don't want to say worrisome, because as traders, we just adapt to what the market is giving you, and you profit from it, right? And there are some great opportunities to the downside, even if I'm more of a, long bias trader. All you have to do is just, switch your bias, buy puts instead of calls, and you profit from the downside, right? But yeah, this is, I said yesterday, sorry, the day before, that I felt dip buyers would step in, and they did. They did for half a day, but then let's look at this on the, all right, so we opened here, we fell down, and then dip buyers, like I predicted, stepped in, and they bought this back up, but it simply wasn't enough. It was not enough, and yeah, like it didn't have enough strength in it to keep going. That's why I let go of my W trades, W calls. I didn't see that the SPY was wanting to push this upwards, right? To push upwards. So yeah, I just got out of that trade. And what did the SPY do after the rest of the day? It just went sideways slash down. And at the end of the day, at the very end of the day, the last what? The last 10 minutes. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. It it was it was a waterfall of red, you know. Um, so I mean the easy prediction, quote unquote, is to just think that like the SPY is gonna go down from here at least next week, right? Or in the beginning of the week anyway. We are at a level where we hadn't been for a number of weeks. One, two, like what? Since we were here, and even here we were above this level. So mid-January, for a week in January, we were above this level, and then after, yeah, like beginning of February, we haven't really seen this level at all, right? Um, Now last time we were here, it was pretty choppy. It was pretty choppy, right? Um, yeah, but I do think that people were just beyond technical analysis. There is people's expectations and people's psychology. And we have all been waiting for a correction, and oh my God, this cannot go on forever. So when is it gonna end? People are scared, and people got hurt recently. Okay, I know a lot of traders lost a lot of money. So yeah, right now I think it's going to be prime time for bearish trades, I think. Again, there's no way to prove this, but this is picking up speed to the downside. All right. If we test this level and we don't hold it, we're going to this one. This is just my prediction. I don't have to be right. Nobody has to be right. Nobody knows what's going to happen until it happens, right? But I would be very, very, very careful with longs, because yeah, the SPY doesn't look like it likes longs right now, right? Now, if you look at the bigger time frame, yeah, you see that since March we have been on an uptrend, like straight up. So in the bigger scheme of things, in the bigger picture, this is not such a horrible retracement that, oh my God, the market is broken and it's gonna go straight down. No, I mean, this is an overdue correction. It had to happen. But taking all into consideration, taking everything into consideration, technical analysis, how this retracement was overdue, people's psychology, people's having been burned recently, alongside traders anyway, I do think that we are going to chop around for a bit before we go up, if we go up. All right. So yeah, longs, I would say be careful. Be careful of any long side trade that you want to open, and if you do, play defense. Okay. I'd say collect your benefits, your gains when they are there, right? So yeah. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to make a quick video about the SPY, giving my 2 cents about it. No way of knowing what's gonna happen. But it's Saturday morning, we're all bored, the market is closed, so we just have to kill the time some way, right? Okay, anyway, I will talk to you on Monday, guys. Happy weekend, enjoy, relax, review your trades. That's where the magic happens. I just finished reviewing my trades for the month. And yeah, realize what mistakes you make and make it a point to not make them again. Alright? Okay, guys, have a good one. Cheers, bye.